Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, in this video, I'm going to show you an exclusive members video I did just this week talking about the in-the-money covered call versus the cash secured put. Why do I do an in-the-money covered call versus a cash secured put? Well, in this members video, I'm going to show you exactly why I do in-the-money covered calls. So what I want you to do is stick around because a lot of people ask me about the in-the-money covered call. So I explain it using my calculators for which you can download for free at my website, cpt-dashboard.com. Click free spreadsheets. But what we're talking about is using an in-the-money covered call or a cash secured put on NVDL. Now, I actually did a cash secured put and sent this to the members on NVDX. Now, NVDL is the 2X leveraged ETF to NVIDIA. And I see some things on the chart for which I like to get involved with NVIDIA. Well, I talk about NVDL, but I end up using NVDX. But it doesn't matter because in the video, I show you exactly why we picked an in-the-money covered call versus a cash secured put. Well, in this case, it turns out I did do a cash secured put, but there's reasons I do in-the-money covered calls, and I want you to stick around. But more importantly, I'm going to talk about the in-the-money covered call. There are so many people out there that don't understand intrinsic value and downside protection and what our cost basis is after we place the trade. So if you ever wonder what the in-the-money covered call was all about and why we do it, stick around. I know you're going to like this one. Now, hey, look, before I turn it over to him for that special members video, I want to say thank you to everyone that has allowed me to come to the channel every single week, showing you my trades, talking about it, so maybe you learn something. See, I don't come here trying to be a financial guru, try to show you something for which I don't really know myself. What I do is I trade, I sell premium, I write covered calls, I sell cash secured puts, I do the poor man's covered call, I invest in dividend stocks, we do it repeatedly, I try to motivate and inspire. Well, over the past 8 years, it's taken me that long to get to 20,000 YouTube subscribers. And I'll tell you what, absolutely love all the feedback. Every once in a while I get some haters, but at the end of the day, where that used to bother me, does not bother me anymore. We have fun with it. And now what I love to do is just share my story, try to motivate you, whoever you are. I would guess you're 45 to 55 to 65. You're thinking about retirement. You're about to get into retirement, or you're in retirement and you need cash flow. Well, that's exactly what I talk about on my channel. We talk about selling premium, which generates cash flow. We take that cash flow and we put it into dividend paying stocks. I talk about that all the time. So do me a favor, couple things. Share this on social media. Let others know that there's a cat out there talking about everything from what he does to the very real lessons I've learned in retirement to dividend paying ETFs and of course writing covered calls on our favorite stocks and 3X leveraged ETFs. Hey, look, if you wanted to be a part of anything I've been doing with the membership, all you have to do is go to cpt-dashboard.com, click Upgraded Dashboard, and I got a 1 free month offer for you. The membership has exploded in 2024, and getting into 2025, it's going to get bigger. I'm going to offer more features than what the current members are already getting. So, hey, look, cpt-dashboard.com, click Upgraded Dashboard, and get your 1 free month offer. Let's turn it over to him and talk about the difference between the in-the-money covered call and the cash secure put. And hey, look, subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you hear today, bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Hey, welcome back, everyone. I want to talk to you about how on a significant down day, we get better cash secure put premiums. Typically, the covered call always pays a little bit more time value premium. In this case, because NVDL is down some 6% today, actually 6.5%, I'm trying to dial up a in-the-money covered call or a cash secure put. Now, they're one and the same, they're just inverse. The covered call, I have to buy the shares and then give somebody the right but not the obligation to take them away from me at the strike price I want my shares taken away. Now, in this example, NVDL is trading for $76.20. I want to give them away for $70, and the call buyer is going to pay me $8.40. Now, of course, $6.20 is intrinsic value. They don't make money, I don't make money. It's just the difference between $76.20 where I bought them and $70 where I'm going to sell them. So that money is set to the side. That is downside protection for me because the stock can literally fall to $70 and I haven't lost anything. The difference is $2.20. That is my time value premium for this 14-day trade. That is the premium that we put money in our pocket. We make money. Now, looking at an in-the-money covered call, you could see I can make 2.89% for 14 days or $660. Now, when we look at the cash secure put, which is right below it on my in-the-money covered call calculator, up here is the in-the-money covered call calculator. And right below it, I've created one for the cash secure put because, again, they're inverse. If you were to click call, it would show you that top number. If you were to click put, it would show you that bottom number. Why would I do an in-the-money covered call versus a cash secure put? Well, first of all, you could see on this nasty down day, we're getting better put premium profits cash on cash than we are buying the shares and then writing the in-the-money covered call. So on down days, put premiums pay more. On up days, call premiums pay more. So looking at the cash secure put, and don't worry about the ticker, notice the 70 strike, I would get $2.22. That equals 3.17% for the same idea. Now, it's different money being invested because I'm going to have to buy these shares at $76.20. And yes, I get the money back with the intrinsic value, but I have to pony up $22,860, whereas with the cash secure put, I only have to upfront $21,000. Now, why would I do one or the other? Well, first of all, we don't have enough cash in the account because we just bought something back. We sold those shares. So what we have is settled money. And we did this yesterday. So technically, we have to wait 3 days for that money to unsettle and be able to trade in the account. Well, on margin, they will let you buy the shares and then write a covered call. Now, I want to be very clear. I am not using margin. Let's stop the track right here. We are not using margin for selling premium. We never do that. That never works out because your daily margin cost is more than the entire covered call right. Okay, so we don't want to do that. They allow us to use margin on unsettled cash, which means they don't charge us margin debt. What they do is they let us borrow that money and then we're able to use it to buy something. In the case of the cash secure put, you actually need the cash. So in this case, because he has unsettled money, I can't use the cash secure put, even though it pays more, 3.17% versus 2.89. If I want this trade right now, I have to do the in-the-money covered call, buying the shares and then writing the 70 strike, getting 840. There's your setup. I make 2.89% for this 14-day trade. Now, had I had the cash, I would have done the cash secure put using the 70 strike, getting $2.22. Cash on cash, 3.17%. I would only have to invest $21,000 for the cash secure put. In the case of the covered call, I'd be investing more money because I have to buy the shares higher. So the reason I'm showing you this video is for two reasons. A lot of people ask me all the time, John, why do you do in the money covered calls? That answers that question because in my IRA, it's the same exact deal. They will let me trade unsettled money, but I have to buy the shares. They will not let me do a cash secure put without money because you actually physically need the cash to do the cash secure put. So that's why I do in the money covered calls. But again, we're using the same strike price. And this is why on my blog posts and emails I send you, you can do the same strike and you'll pretty much get about the same premium. Again, it's time value premium, and that would be your profit. Now, why I'm showing you this as well is because notice on a down day, we are getting very nice cash secure put premiums. In fact, when you dial that up, that's almost 0.3% you're getting. So you take that every time. The numbers dictate the trade. And I'll tell you what, if I had cash, I'd be doing this cash secure put right now. But I can't, but I still want the trade. I like NVIDIA where it's trading now. NVDL trading in and around 76 gives me a nice little bit of downside protection. I believe 70 is a great place to plant my flag. And you can see in this hypothetical trade, if I'm assigned the shares at 70 and the stock's trading at 70, that would be an at-the-money covered call for which we would then, a 1-week expiration, we would get almost $5. That would be $2.22 on the front side plus $5 on the back side. That is over $7.20. Do the math on a $70 investment, that's over 10% in a mere 3 weeks, because this cash secure put goes for 2 weeks. The next covered call would go for 1 week. Again, hypothetical, but that is the 2-trade mindset. We set up our first trade, we do it, and that would be our second one. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it there. This answers the in the money covered call as to why I do it. And I'm showing you on nice down days, put premiums actually pay more than buying the shares and writing an in the money covered call. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.